This is a big one, guys, and I'll keep this short. I'm under the mind that you should always exhaust logic before referring to hypnosis. So like a funny example of this, and I use this in our training courses, I'll say like a client stubs their toe or complains about a sharp pain in their foot, and you get a lot of hypnotherapists and coaches, this is just an analogy, that will say, well, you need hypnosis on that. There's a reason you keep stubbing your toe. Maybe your inner child needs to be healed and all this sort of stuff. And jokes aside, a lot of therapists and hypnotists, because they're so in love with this thing, just like I am as well, they start to assume that hypnosis can fix everything. Therapy can fix everything. Coaching can fix everything. NLP can fix everything, but it definitely cannot. It's not the answer to everything. And whether my client's coming in for stop smoking, anxiety, weight loss, it doesn't matter because it's all symptoms anyway. I want to make sure I'm exhausting logic. So exhausting logic would be like my client says, and this is just an example, like, Scott, I want to lose 20 kilos. And I go, okay, cool. Have you done the dieting thing? Have you been to the gym? And they say, well, I hate the gym. I love eating sugary foods and carbs. I love drinking soda and Pepsi all day. But I think I need hypnosis because someone told me I did. You want to exhaust logic, guys. Logic goes a long way. Another example of this is like, obviously, hypnotherapists come to us to learn how to grow their business. And a lot of them will say, Scott, I can't make any money. I don't have a niche. I don't know how to do marketing. I'm not making any money. I'm not getting any clients. And the reason that is because I've got abundance blocks or I've got inner childhood issues and stuff like that. And they spend their whole time getting the audios and having therapists do this abundance block thing and all of that sort of stuff. Before I even talk about the therapy and how, hypnosis can unblock those things that you need to actually be motivated to do your business, always exhaust logic. My client doesn't have a niche. They don't know how to do marketing. They don't know how to do selling. They don't know their prices. They don't know how to use social media. They don't know how to do strategy calls or anything like that. And they instantly go to, it's because of abundance block, something like, because my guru told me it was. I want to exhaust logic. And 10 times out of 10, if I exhaust that logic, that becomes the thing we fix. I know we have students right now that still believe they've got abundance blocks, that still believe they've got all those things, and limiting beliefs and stuff, but they're doing 20, 30, 40, 50 grand per month. And that's the value of logic. So don't be too quick, guys, to jump to the, oh, you need hypnosis because of this. Exhaust logic with your clients. Ask them logical questions. Ask them questions to make sure they're doing the conscious stuff to enforce what could be done with hypnosis. So really, when it comes to it, and I learned this towards the end of my career, hypnosis and the therapy was the last thing I relied on, because I realized a lot of people's thinking is very clouded. It's very strange. It's very funny. There's not a lot of good logical connections. People don't really exhaust logic. They forget about it, and they're just highly emotional all the time. So whether I'm working with business owners, I'm working with my lawyers to quit smoking, whatever it is, always exhaust logic, guys, and do this for your own personal development as well. Just because a guru says you've got abundance blocks. Now, it's weird if a guru tells you what you have before they even know you. So again, that's a fault in itself. Don't be too quick to jump to this. It has to be therapy. It's childhood. It's abundance blocks. It's limiting beliefs. Exhaust logic first. You can do all of that stuff that you want. If it's building a business, as an example, you can do all the illogical stuff, the emotional stuff, the abundance block stuff, the hug your inner child. You can do all of those sorts of things, make you feel good and confident about having money in your life. But if you still don't have the logical steps to build a business, you still won't have a business. You still won't get clients. You still won't have any of those things because you haven't exhausted logic. The only time I'd rely on the hypnosis part is if my clients or my students have exhausted logic 100%. And even when people say they've exhausted 100%, very rarely do they. And this is a big reason why I don't do any mindset stuff. I'm not saying you guys should, but this is just to sort of give you more examples of what I'm talking about here. I don't do mindset stuff. I don't follow any gurus. I don't listen to audios. I don't do any of that stuff because I've been in business for a very, 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 very long time, still haven't exhausted logic 100%. Logic goes a long way. The only time I'd ever refer to the hypnosis stuff and doing that stuff is if when I can completely say, yes, I 100%, I've exhausted 100% logic. And that's still many, many moons to come, guys. I'm always reinforcing that. So guys, this is just a big note to yourself or your own personal development, your clients as well. Exhaust logic, guys. Don't go straight to the emotional hypnosis stuff, the audios, the homework, the books, all that sort of stuff because a guru has told you. Exhaust your logic. You're not getting clients right now if you're running a business because you're not getting clients right now. You might be doing the emotional stuff. You're doing the abundance box. You listen to audios. You're speaking to other therapists. You're getting some practice sessions in. You're the client, you're getting all these things, you're feeling good about and confident about money, but it's still not showing up. Look at the logic. Are you doing the marketing? Do you have a niche? Do you even know how to run a business? You can't just get qualified and expect to run a business. There's a lot of stuff that goes into the business, okay? Exhaust that first. Once you've exhausted that 100%, and the results are still not showing up, then look at the hypnosis stuff, okay, guys? So logic, it's a long-winded way for me to say logic goes a long way, guys.